Good afternoon, everyone. I welcome our RMC Corporation Commissioner, Mr. I.S. Amit Arora, Principal J.R. Chawda, respected faculties, and all my dear friends. Cleanliness plays a crucial role in everyone's life. It is vital for a healthy body, mind, and soul. It reflects the inner beauty of an individual. It is the way of living a happy and healthy life. Many diseases such as dengue, malaria, etc. can be prevented by keeping our surrounding areas clean. If our surrounding areas are not clean, then we are highly susceptible to many hazardous diseases. The Government of India and respective state government have started various programs to maintain cleanliness and bring awareness among the people regarding the importance of cleanliness. Swachhta Bharat Abhiyan is a national level campaign run by Indian government. It was launched by our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi ji. Mahatma Gandhi had a dream of making our country a clean country. Therefore, this Abhiyan was launched on his 145th birth anniversary, that is on 2nd October 2014 at Rajghat, New Delhi. Swachhta Pakhwada as a part of Swachhta Abhiyan was initiated with the objective of bringing a fortnight with intense focus on the issues and practices regarding Swachhta. A website that's called top10s.com ranks India as the second dirtiest country on the planet. Wikipedia in its list of 100 polluted cities has 29 Indian cities, 5 out of which are in top 10. Can India honestly transform into a clean country? Will we need air canisters in few years because the regular available air will just not be breathable? Municipal solid waste is one of the greatest contributors to the pollution globally, and in India we are struggling to find a solution for this. Now the question is how to maintain cleanliness. It starts within oneself. We must keep ourselves clean, always ensuring that the garbage is thrown into the dustbin, and many more such habits should be developed. It is also everyone's responsibility to keep our surrounding area clean, whether it is bus stands, streets, environment, premises, etc. It should become a habit in an individual's life which must start within the childhood. Technology has always been blamed for all the degradatory and polluting factors that is currently destroying the earth. In the context of industrialization, technology has always been called as necessary evil, where in fact technology is not an evil at all. The very same technology that is currently destroying the earth is also capable of taking care of it. The Seligaon Waste Management Treatment Plant in Goa is one such example for this. The plant is capable of treating 100 tons of garbage per day, and in addition to solid waste management, it also generates power. The plant is also generating compost and treat effluent so as to use this recycled water for non-drinkable purposes and gardening. I was trying to justify Sarve Santu Niramaya via cleanliness. The procedure is not complete yet. Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah, Sarve Santu Niramaya, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Ma Kaschid Dukh Bhag Bhave, which means may all be prosperous and happy, may all be free from illness, may all we see what is spiritually uplifting, may no one suffers. Our ancient Indian sciences and Vedic culture have expert in systematic though limited manner newer facets of super scientific potentials hidden. Yagya refers in Hinduism to a ritual performed in front of sacred fire. Yagya has been a Vedic tradition described in Vedic literature. The process of yagya magnifies the advantages of the desirable medicinal, phytochemicals and other nutritional substances. Medicines and herbs are vaporized by offering them into sacrificial fire and reaches to the human body in a gaseous form via nose, lungs and pores of the skin. Expert tells Yagya benefit our body and soul. Yagya is a simple technique to purify not only our body but also useful in purifying our environment to a large extent. Yagya performed while chanting Gayatri Mantra has shown Yagya performed while chanting Gayatri Mantra has shown reduction in the particulate matters and electromagnetic radiations and also increases the antimicrobial activity against human pathogens. Due to increased temperature and slow combustion, there is hardly any production of carbon dioxide. Our Honorable Governor, Mr. Acharya Devrat, in his speech of 4th September, also emphasized Yagya and its importance. Madhya Pradesh Culture Minister, Ms. Usha Thakur, has said Yagya is an ancient method to purify environment and claimed such a method has been used since ages to get rid of pandemics. Amid the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, she appealed people to perform yagyas. Finally, there is already a lot of research already been done to explore the effectiveness of yagyas of our Vedic culture of India. Still, there are gaps remaining and need urgent actions on the view of ongoing crisis. Now I think I have been able to share my views and thoughts regarding the importance of cleanliness. Now it's your turn to change in yourself, surroundings and environment. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.